There are different drivers that are going to affect the oil that you use for your restaurant. Specific flavor goals. And what do I mean by that? Well, if you're going to use a tallow, you're going to get a beefier flavor. If you're going to use a corn oil, you're going to get a little bit of a sweeter flavor. If you're going to use a cream soy, you're going to get a little bit more of a neutral flavor. Nutritional profile. There's a lot of emphasis on nutritional gains right now, and as it should be, on what oils are really good for you and what oils aren't. And there's some oils that are better for you than others, and you want to look at your own restaurants or establishments guidelines to see what works best for you. Price and cost points. There's a huge range in oil pricing right now, and if you're just looking at the lowest costing oil, that might end up costing you more money in the long run, because there's a reason why that oil is so inexpensive, is because it isn't processed as much and it's not going to last as long. Supply chain, what's available and what isn't available. And unfortunately, that might be the number one factor now, and based off of what is in the market is obviously going to be a driving factor. And of course, fryer management, which we talked about a little bit earlier, is always keeping the best practices in managing your staff to ensure that they're treating the oil with the utmost respect to make sure that it lasts the longest and you can get the best product away for it. And of course, total cost, and what is everything going to cost you in the long run.